Double R, Ice Gang, Flood Money Records, Double R Music. You know what I mean? Motherfuckers say I talk too much about music. Yeah, just to get a point across. You know what I mean? You know what? You listen to the person who's talking and singing, you're gonna learn something. I'd rather be a fool for 5 minutes than don't ask a question and be a fool forever. Yeah, Chappy, yeah, Akeem, yeah, bruh, Auntie Annie Mae, Hania, Mama, slow cooker, Uncle Jakeem, yeah, woo, yeah. Double R, Ice Gang, Flood Money Records. You know what I mean? It's testing the waters and all that. Boys getting better and all that. You know what I mean? Like I said, shout out to my cousin, Chappy. Thank you, baby. I know you with me. You know what I mean? We gonna guide this music. Yo, Suave, what up, man? JMA, back in effect. Courtesy of Choppy Entertainment. Let's go. Double R Music. Ice Gang, Flood Money Records. Syracuse, New York, Southside, stand up. Choppy. Ooh, yeah. The streets out here is getting colder. It's making the people heart get colder. Yeah. Each and every day someone's going down in the ground. I remember when they used to die in 3s, now it 4s and 5, 6s. What's going on in this world? Let's go ghetto America. Won't you stop the violence? Hey, won't you stop all the hate and then united? We don't got too much longer on this earth. This cruel earth, yeah. You're gonna get yours one day. Yeah. The devil is working. The devil is working. I said it. The devil is working, but I put my faith in God. Yeah. How a man gonna tell you when the world gonna end if he don't know where it began? Stop listening to the rhetoric out there. Pay attention, it's self-explanatory. It's an element of this earth, yeah. Everybody get together now. They coming up with COVID left and right, yeah. It's knocking us down each and every year since they put that plague on us. Woo woo, this is Red Rain talking to you. Hey, and you, and you, and you, woo, get yourself right. Yeah. And you might just die tonight, and you might not wake up tomorrow. Listen to me, it's a message from me. Red Rain, REDD-AIN. One more time, this is mine. Now you know how I feel about the humans on this earth. Yeah. Let me go down to the other side. We all fighting our demons, yeah. Taking this life, taking her life. What's the point? Yeah, you're going to hell. If you kill yourself, you're going to hell. Stop the suicide right now. It's a sin, a sinny sin. Yeah. Get things back in order with your youth, with your higher power. So much power. Thank you, God. Thank you to my father. Thank you to my mother. Yeah. For me living 48 years on the earth, yeah. With the exception of incarceration. I did a crime, I did my time. I'm not that nigga out there that they say that I am. I'm Red Rain, Red Rain, Red Rain, let's go. You don't know me, you never will know me. All you know is my name. Yeah, oh yeah. All this he said, she shit going around is putting niggas down. Babies, what about the babies? Everybody's going crazy here in 22. Hey, what you gonna do now? It's not slowing down now. Everybody's dying, they're leaving this earth, yeah. With so much drama, now you gotta answer to the higher power. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can't hide from God. You can't sneak from God. He sees everything that you do. He know it before you do it. Devil, ah.